Okay, since some time I wanted to upgrade my ELU TGS table saw with a stop, and now the stop is there. The idea was to use the already existing slot here in the aluminum and put in a square tubing, 14 by 14 millimeters. There had been two M3 threads here in the body, also on this side here, which I used, so no new drill had to be done into the body. And I milled here a slot to have sufficient clearance for an M5 bolt that is here connected to this lever. And then there's a sliding piece that has the thread, and here a step to ride in between this aluminum slot here. It's not super consistent, but it works. It is a little conical, so it had to be filed a little to finally fit and slide easily. And also the screw that is usually here at the end is replaced with a nice knurling knob, which allows easier adjustment of the screw, because the consistency of the slot here is not the same on both sides. So it's not just you know, with one turn it's locked, one turn it's open. So you have, depending if you are at the screws or here, it takes 1.5 turns or something like this. So with this knurled knob here, you can easier adjust everything. And now you have a stop that can also go pretty close to the saw blade. Actually, I don't think that you want to go any closer than that, because you will anyway jam the piece that you're cutting off between the blade and the stop. But it's yeah, it's actually a nice upgrade and a nice addition to this clamping thing that I did not build. You can buy them. You just have to adjust the diameter down here so that it can slide here into these slots. This one here actually is not so super good because it will easily interfere with the saw, but this one here works pretty well if you do it right. Yeah, now I can clamp stuff. I have a stop that I can put on both sides, and I think this is a neat and nice upgrade to this saw.